So if you're trying to go into a course room and you can't share your video or audio, it's most likely because a permission has not been set. I'm just going to try it on here. I have not joined before, so I am going to join this course. And wait and see what happens. Now you should get prompted to allow your microphone, and you should get a test so you can see it like that and say yes, it's working, and then say allow for your camera, and you should see yourself. Hello, and say yes, it's working. Now we're not going to do the rest of the tutorial. We're going to start the session. But I'm the only one in the room. So that should be the big issue. If you've already said no to those settings, then most likely you'll have to click on the lock and choose Site Settings. And here where it says camera and microphone, it might say blocked, or it might say ask. So you want to set it to allow for both of those, and then it should start working. If you're still having a problem, let the help desk know, and we can try a remote session with you and figure it out with you. Thank you.